Welcome to my channel. This is Baby Steve. And say welcome to your channel.
Hey everybody, it's Miss T. I'm Steven's mom.
Yes, and I'm Baby Steve.
Yes, he's Baby Steve. So Baby Steve's been wanting to do mukbangs for a while. My mom introduced him to it, and he loves Stevo.
Yeah.
He loves the Prince family. He's all for it.
Yes, and do you know Bianca's name?
Yeah, she's part of the Prince family, right?
Yes.
All right.
And
So
they got a new channel.
they do.
Mhm.
Wow. So
No, I'm telling the video.
you telling the viewers that?
Yes.
You want to tell them what we're eating today?
Yes.
What are we eating today?
I got wine.
Limes. And what does the limes go on?
This.
And what is this?
Limes.
No, what is this?
Tacos.
Tacos. So Baby Steve loves tacos and chicken and fruits and vegetables. So we decided to go with tacos today. And we hope you guys enjoy the video. You want to say the grace? You want to pray over the food?
Yes.
Okay.
I would like if you like my video and amen.
Amen. Amen.
Yes, and pray amen.
You pray and amen?
Yes.
Okay. So,
Yes,
what?
yes, do it.
Oh, you want to do a thumbnail? Okay, let's do a thumbnail.
Like, I don't know her name.
Like Steph and Tasha do?
No,
Or Granny?
no, like the other girl.
The other girl?
Mhm.
You watch so many people, I'm not for sure, but most mukbangers do thumbnails. You ready to do one?
Uh-huh.
Come on. Okay, I think we got it. So,
Now let's eat it.
okay, let's eat it.
Let's get the smacking.
You guys, that's what my mom says on her YouTube channel. It's cracking and smacking with Charrier. She kind of introduced both of us to the mukbang community, and Steven just fell in love with it. So he wants to try to branch out and do it on his own.
I be smacking.
Yeah.
My mommy and mom be saying that.
Mhm.
Mhm. You want to hear my sound, guys? 1, 2.
Wow, you guys, that was a big crunch, wasn't it? It was a big crunch.
Guys.
Steven doesn't like anything on his tacos, you guys. He just got ground beef and cheese. I got kind of the works: lettuce, tomatoes, cheese. I put onions inside of the ground beef, so I didn't have to put fresh ones on there. Good?
Hey, you like my shirt, guys? Look at my shirt, guys. You like
Orange
it,
is
guys?
his favorite color, so we decided to wear orange for his video today. That's his favorite color.
So it's my favorite color.
So tell him what's going on with you, Steven. Go ahead, tell him what's going on with you.
I had a dream yesterday.
You did?
Yes, I tell the video that.
Okay.
I had a dream video, guys.
You did?
So you know how I had a dream?
Yeah.
You know how to make a dream?
Yeah. Most people have dreams, yeah. Yeah.
And hear my sound again.
Okay, let's see that taco. Oh, that's a crunchy taco, you guys.
It is, guys.
Is it good?
And guys, my mom got you stuff too.
I do.
And I got a lot of stuff.
This is romaine lettuce.
This, I,
You okay? What happened?
nothing.
Nothing.
No.
Okay.
That is romaine. That's romaine.
Romaine lettuce.
Romaine lettuce.
Mommy's getting a little messy with her tacos. I forgot I got sour cream on here too, y'all. A little hot sauce and taco sauce. It's real good. You got anything you want to tell them, Steven?
No, Mom, look. This is sour.
It's sour. It is.
Did you hear that crunch?
Can you tell them how old you are? How old are you?
This many.
And how many is that?
1, 2, 3.
Good job. Good job.
My next good, Mommy.
You're not eating much. Mommy almost done with her food.
I'm done.
Almost done? Ooh. That was a big bite.
Like, the.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm drinking out some Lipton, half and half, the lemonade and the tea. I'm trying to get into drinking tea, y'all.
No, what drink is this?
He got fruit punch in here, you guys.
Cheers, Mommy. Let's get cheers.
Cheers.
You like cheers, guys?
There you go, baby. Pretty good, pretty good. Good? All right. Here you go.
You almost got it, Mommy.
I am almost done. Mommy was hungry.
I was hungry too.
You was? I know. You said you wanted 3 tacos. I wonder how many you're going to actually eat. Do you guys think Steve is going to finish all 3 of those tacos? Comment down below and let us know what you guys think.
This is my mushroom. This is my mushroom.
I got something right here, Donna. Now feel it. Let's see. Did I get it?
Oh, what's this?
I got it, you guys. Okay. Eat your tacos.
Why do you have why?
Huh?
Do you like white fries?
No. You got a lot of taco in your mouth.
I think I'm gonna win this taco.
You gonna win?
No, I think I'm gonna win.
Oh. So, you think you're gonna eat all 3 of those tacos? All right, let's eat.
Now look at me.
Hold on. Okay. Whoa. You in a race?
Mm-hmm.
Man, he's eating that pretty fast, you guys. Wow. Okay. Are you gonna slow down or are you gonna keep going so fast? Oh. I guess he started a challenge over there. What are you gonna do? See how fast you can eat? Oh man, you got a full mouth. Excuse me, guys. I don't know, you guys. I think he might be able to eat all those tacos. He is a growing boy. You can still eat all your tacos if you want to.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Let me see if I can look like you.
Let's do it.
Let me get a piece of your shell. Is it okay? I'm gonna scoop my little taco meat up.
No, you taco down.
You taco shell? You're not gonna share with me? Why not?
It's your own food.
I am eating my own food. I just took a piece of your shell. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Thank you.
Look my fuck stop.
Hmm?
I want my food back.
You want it back?
Mm-hmm.
I ate it already.
What is that?
You guys, he banged on the table. He wants his taco shell back. But I thought you liked to share with your mommy.
I did.
You do? So do you still want it back?
Mm-hmm.
He still wants it back.
No, I said I'm gonna share.
You gonna share?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, thank you. Can I get a high five?
Mm-hmm.
All right, good job. Can I have another one?
Can I have some?
Yeah, it's yours. Mmm.
I got a little crunch.
Huh?
I got a little bit of a crunch.
Yeah. Be careful. Don't spill. Mm-hmm. It's really good.
Mm-hmm. Mmm.
Mmm.
Look, guys. My mom doesn't win me.
I just beat you, baby.
Her dad beat me.
There you go.
So I said I'm gonna beat her, and her beat me first.
But it's okay. Because when I win, you win. And when you win, I win. So that means we win together, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
I didn't win together.
We did win together.
Oh.
Yeah. Like I said, when I win, that means you win. And when you win, I win. So we win together.
I like it.
You like that? Yeah, he likes to just eat the taco meat. So he might empty that out of the shell. Let him taste it. Ooh.
It's good, guys.
Mm-hmm. Careful. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. There we
Oh,
go.
that popped out.
That pop.
You like my cup, guys?
What's on your cup? Can you tell them?
It's a shark on. It's a shark on there,
Mm-hmm.
and there's something in there.
He got a little, it look like he got a goldfish in his mouth.
It looks like that.
A goldfish. Want me to hold it up so they can see it?
Mm-hmm.
You see it, you
No.
guys?
No, they see it now.
Can you see it? That's fine? Okay. Got some meat stuck in your teeth? In your gums?
No one at the iron.
It was under your lip down here. Oh, okay. Okay.
Whoa!
Wow. You like those hard shells, huh? Yeah.
But she did hurt so.
Yeah, I had 3 hard shell tacos. Mommy's full now. It was really good.
Can you think that's the stomach?
I don't want to show them my stomach. This guy over here. What you doing? You gonna talk some more, or you just gonna eat?
I go talk some more.
You gonna talk some more? What you gonna talk about?
My granny was sick yesterday.
But she feel better, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Her was in the shower and we were trying to fix her and her body was still hurting.
Okay. But she feel better now, right? All right. Okay.
Anyway,
What else you want to tell them?
I'm gonna crack this so you can hear.
Okay. He's gonna crack it. Let's listen. Shh. Wow.
I got a little one.
You got a little one? You gonna taste your lunch? Can we do? You wanna do it together? 1, 2, 3. Oh. It's sour?
Yes, let me see your tongue. Let it turn.
I know. It's clear juice. That's it.
Let's drink it again.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Mm. Woo.
Woo!
Now you get that love right here.
And you know how I do that too.
You did that too? All right.
Let's do it again.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, but it's so good, you guys.
It's so good to me.
Oh, it's so good to you? You like the lime? All right.
Let's taste it again.
It's really, really good.
Now taste your other one like I got.
Okay. Hold on, I'm ready.
1,
2, 3. Oh! I think them came from 2 different limes, you guys. This one is really, really, really sour.
Yes, and this one is really sour too.
Oh. Are we gonna try it again?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Ah!
Let's do it again.
Okay.
No, Mom, look at me.
Okay, look at you. And do it? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Oh, man.
Woo!
Woo.
Woo! Let's drink our drinks.
Okay, we're gonna drink our drinks. Okay, let me help you. Okay, let's see. That's much better. Much, much better. Much better for you? All right. Are you gonna eat some more of your taco? All right.
I think I've seen this one.
Yeah. Okay, I'm done. I'm full, you guys.
You gotta wait for me.
I am gonna wait for you. Go ahead. Have at it, you guys. He's on number 3, you guys. Look at that.
1, 2,
2, 3. Ooh, he's eating it, you guys. Let's see what happens. You guys, so I think we're gonna get ready to start wrapping it up. What do you think?
No, I'm still eating.
We gotta wrap it up.
I'm still eating it.
So you guys, we're gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. We want you to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we'll talk to you guys later. Say bye.